Okay, everyone, let's walk through how we can trade from the web using the new Trade Ideas web interface. First of all, I just want you to take a look at my screen. Note that I am on a Mac. This will work on any device that has access to a web browser, from tablets to phones to Windows to Mac, everywhere. So if you've been left out of the paper trading competitions before because you're on an unsupported device, that has changed now. So first of all, you can do this trading from any web browser, but we have this new position scope right here that will actually show your positions on top of everything. Always, you can open up multiple web browsers or tabs, and you can be logged into different. So if you want to do your trading in through here, you can do that and then go over here and check on your positions. However you want to do, you can do this on the new web version here at Trade Ideas. So first of all, let's take a look at the chart and let's see how to enter trades. Two ways to do it quickly. First one is just to click on the trade ticket that we see right here. You click on that and it will bring up this interface right here. Let's just go from top to bottom. So starting with the top, you can either select buy or sell. Pretty straightforward, whether you want to buy the security or sell it. This row right here will talk about whether or not you want to trade with a market order, a limit order, or a stop order. Essentially, market will fill you at any price. Limit and stop, you get to choose what price you want to trade at. Then going down here, market or price is going to be grayed out. If it's a market order, you fill in your price here if you want to do a limit and a stop. So if I wanted to put in, a $450 limit here on the SPY, I just type that in right there. Now, down below here, you have the difference between shares and dollars. Essentially, shares is just how many shares you want to buy, but dollars will convert that. So say I wanted to buy $10,000 worth of the S&P 500, I'll just type that in there, and the system will calculate how many shares I'll get for $10,000 at $450 per share. And last but not least, we have the time in force down here, and that's whether or not I want this order to stay out just for today or whether I want it to stay out for an entire week and then cancel. Then down below is just the trading account. So right now you only see simulated trading and so time, but eventually you will see our next cashola event here as well. So simulated trading will just be for when you're paper trading. I'm using this actually to watch positions as well, so you can do that just because it's paper trading, so you could buy a share of anything that you're just looking to watch. But if you're looking to trade, you'll see that down below as well. So that's one way to do it, and you can get very granular with your details. You can put in stop loss orders, you can do all that. Another way, my favorite way, is you see when I'm hovering over the chart here, you have this plus symbol. We can actually make the chart bigger. We have this plus symbol right here. Now, if I click on this plus symbol, it gives me a couple options. So you can see it remembered the $10,000 I wanted to buy, but I can change that. I can say I want to buy shares or dollars right here. But while I'm in here, I can say I just want to buy the SPY right here, or I want to sell the SPY right here. And it will just do all of that work from that other tab for you, and it will either put out a stop loss or a limit depending on where you're trying to buy based off price. So for example, if we go back to our 450 and I just click that and I want to say I want to buy it, comes up with just a little box to have me confirm. I click OK, and then an order will go out right in here. So if I want to check on all of those things, you'll see all of that just right below right here. So here's going to be all of my outstanding orders if and when I choose to take those trades. These are going to be recent executions if I want to keep an eye on where I bought and sold. And then we have our position windows right here. So first of all, this top window is going to show me all of the trading that I'm doing, whether or not that's the simulated trading or whatever contest we have on the go right now. And then this chart right here is just showing my P&L throughout the day. This is a good way to track if you have a whole portfolio going on and you notice there's a big uptick or a big downtick in your P&L. You might want to go in and zoom in and see what's happening there. And then right here, you have all of your positions, right? So right now I just have this 10 shares short of this WISA, but if I click on this, it will load up the chart as well. And you can see my buys and my sells, any outstanding orders I would have there as well. All of that's just kind of taken care of from here. So that is how you manage, and that is how you enter orders for our new web version. Only getting started. I'm sure there'll be many more improvements to come. Questions, as always, in the links below, or email trade-ideas.com, and we'll get those sorted for you. We're very, very excited for this launch, and we'll see you soon.